as fit as a fiddle. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. As fit as a fiddle, this proverb not only describes someone who is physically healthy, but also symbolizes being in peak condition, mentally and emotionally. After understanding the meaning behind this idiom, it is important to explore practical ways in which we can incorporate it into our daily lives to enhance our luck, overcome difficulties, and achieve success. One way to embody the essence of being fit as a fiddle is by prioritizing our physical well-being. Engaging in regular exercise, adopting a balanced diet, and getting adequate rest can significantly contribute to our overall fitness. By taking care of our bodies, we increase our energy levels, strengthen our immune system, and improve our mood, all of which lead to a more positive outlook on life. In addition to physical fitness, mental and emotional well-being play a vital role in shaping our success. Cultivating a positive mindset, practicing mindfulness or meditation, and surrounding ourselves with uplifting individuals can help us overcome obstacles and remain resilient in challenging times. By fostering self-belief and confidence, we set ourselves up for greater achievements. Furthermore, embracing a proactive approach to problem-solving is another essential aspect of being fit as a fiddle. Rather than dwelling on setbacks, we should view them as opportunities for growth. Developing a solution-oriented mindset allows us to navigate through difficulties effectively and learn valuable lessons along the way. By being adaptable and open-minded, we can turn setbacks into stepping stones towards success. Lastly, it is crucial to set clear goals and work towards them diligently. In order to be as fit as a fiddle, setting challenging yet achievable goals provides a sense of direction and purpose in our lives. Breaking these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks helps to create a roadmap for success. By staying focused and disciplined, we can make steady progress towards our goals and ultimately achieve them. Additionally, celebrating small victories along the way can boost our motivation and sense of accomplishment. In conclusion, embodying the essence of being fit as a fiddle goes beyond just physical fitness. It encompasses nurturing our mental and emotional well-being, adopting a proactive mindset, and setting clear goals. By incorporating these practices into our daily lives, we can enhance our luck, overcome difficulties, and achieve success. So let us strive to be as fit as a fiddle and reap the rewards of a healthy, balanced, and successful life. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.